Thinking about a new ride but terrified of wrecking your finances? Let's break down how to figure out a smart car budget based on your income in just a minute and a half. First up, the golden rule. The 10th of April 20 rule suggests putting down at least 20% financing for no more than 4 years and keeping your total monthly car costs, including principal, interest, and insurance, to no more than 10% of your gross monthly income. For example, if you make $5,000 a month before taxes, aim for a maximum monthly car payment of $500. Next, calculate your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. Add up all your monthly debt payments, including credit cards, student loans, and other loans, and divide that by your gross monthly income. Ideally, you want your total DTI, including your potential car payment, to be below 36%. A lower DTI shows lenders you're less risky, and it also frees up more money for you. Don't forget about your financial goals. Buying a cheaper car might mean reaching your down payment goal faster, paying off student loans sooner, or investing more for retirement. Consider these priorities before splurging on a fancy model. Finally, shop around. Compare car prices, loan interest rates, and insurance quotes. Even a small difference in interest rates can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Use online car loan calculators to see how different loan amounts, interest rates, and loan terms will affect your monthly payments. Remember, responsible car buying is about finding the balance between getting the vehicle you want and safeguarding your financial future.